Hey everybody, welcome to Geotech and More. In today's video on Geotech and More, I'd like to do a food related video. Here's a little quick recipe that you can do. This is cheese ravioli, which I picked up at Target actually. Cheese ravioli. And you add some Lipton Soup Secrets right here, a packet of this. And you can make a nice little dish here of ravioli, cheese ravioli, with some noodles, a nice little soup with ravioli thing that you can have. It's very tasty. That's it. I just don't do tech-related videos. That's why I have and more on my title on my YouTube page. Just like to show you this. It's very tasty. Look at that. Very tasty. Ravioli, cheese raviolis with noodles. Of course, you can use any kind of frozen, raviolis. And you just make the soup the way that you would make a Lipton soup right here. This is the Lipton soup that I bought. You just add some water to a pot. Add the mix. Add this mix into the water. Boil it up. Before it boils, you throw the raviolis in, the frozen raviolis, and you have a nice little dish there for you. So that's it for now on Geotech and More. Thanks for watching, everyone. Take care now.